Hello and Assalamualaikum. I am recording this video as a huge thank you to all our amazing students. Our Pashto speaking course on Udemy is growing fast and the feedback has been phenomenal. Here is what our students have to say. Number one, Muaz is an excellent teacher. The course helps you master Pashto in a natural way. His communication is very clear and the videos are easy to follow. I'm also taking one-on-one lessons and my Pashto has improved a lot. Look at the second review. The lesson on past continuous tense was very helpful. This review is given by John. Number third, Muaz John has created an excellent course for anyone eager to learn Pashto. The lessons are well structured, focusing on tenses, vocabulary, and real life dialogues. The exercises after each lesson, along with solved examples, make learning even easier. I highly recommend this course. Another student says valuable information, clear explanations, engaging delivery, helpful practice activities, knowledgeable instructor. So this course is designed for beginners, travelers, and language lovers. Structured lessons, dialogues, and hands-on exercises. You will start speaking Pashto with confidence. And we are just getting started. More students are joining every day. Want to learn Pashto? Join us today. Click the link in the description and start your Pashto speaking journey on Udemy. See you in the class on Udemy.